Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to deposit money on your Trust Wallet. Before we dive into, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you will find this guide useful. Now, on Trust Wallet, they don't really have an option to deposit cash straightly to the Trust Wallet. You will need to go ahead and buy cryptocurrency in order to deposit money. Because as you can see, there's only crypto option here on the home page. And once you manage crypto, there's only cryptocurrencies. So you would need to go ahead and click on buy and choose an option what you want to buy. So for today, let's, for example, choose USDC on Ethereum network. And after that, you're going to enter how much you want to buy. Now you will have an option, payment with credit card. You can go ahead and click on it. And from here, you can choose an option, credit card, bank transfer, or Apple Pay. So for example, if you would choose bank transfer, that's how much of an options you have. You choose the best, which fits you the best. And after that, you're gonna click buy with bank transfer. Or if you want, you can go ahead and choose credit card and choose Mercurio, which has the best rate, and buy with credit card. Now, after that, you will have all of these options, Apple Pay, Google Pay, credit or debit card, and also bank payment. Click continue. After that, you're gonna need to enter your email and again, click continue and complete your purchase. Basically, you need to go ahead and buy cryptocurrency in order to deposit cash, deposit money. You cannot deposit cash to Trust Wallet straightly. So that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.